Intelligent lock installation tutorial. Rear lock, front lock rubber pad, rear lock rubber pad, lock body gasket, buckle shell gasket, electronic lock body screw, lock body gasket screw, pull screw, card, battery, square rod 1, square rod 2, key, install pre-lock rubber pad. Install the square rod into the front lock square hole node. The point in the square rod is stuck in the small hole. And rotate the square rod to check if it is stuck. Unscrew the rear lock fixing ring. Take out the rear lock fixing gasket. Take out the rear lock bottom plate. Install the bottom plate gasket. Attention when installing the electronic lock body. First, pass the data cable through the hole outside the door. Tighten the screws of the electronic lock body. If the door is an inward opening, the inclined surface of the door lock tongue faces outward. If the door is an outward opening, the inclined surface of the door lock tongue faces inward. Align the lock tongue and install the lock body gasket. Tighten the lock body gasket screw. Attention before installing the lock. First, thread the power cord through the door hole and insert it into the square rod to connect the electronic lock body and the data cable of the front lock. Arrange the power cord and insert it into the door gap. Thread the power cord through the rear lock washer. Align it with the square rod and plug it in. Do not tighten the split screw yet to facilitate later adjustment. Adjust the front and rear locks. Tighten the screws. Connect the power cord to the battery compartment. Attention when inserting square rod 2. Insert the longer part of the square rod into the square rod hole. Install battery. Adjust the anti-locking knob to a vertical position and install it. Align the lock with square rod 2 and insert it. Install the locking ring gasket after installation. Screw on the rear lock fixing ring. Can the reverse lock not be used normally after opening the trial lock? Install the buckle shell gasket. Tighten the fixing screws. The installation is complete. Card unlocking. Key unlocking.